carpet's installed. Ooh. There's a fireplace in here. Hey, turn it on. Ooh. Look at that. That's so pretty. You guys know me though, I'm super anal about my carpet, so I have to like make sure it's covered. Okay. I'm gonna go up there next, but did they do anything in here? Can we turn it on, babe? That's insane. You can talk too, babe.
Oh, I don't know.
Is the water running? Not yet. Okay. Oh, look at the sinks are installed. Downstairs bathroom. Wow. I need it. Woo! This looks so nice. No, not yet. Not yet. What's going on here? Wow, okay. Kitchen is still kitchening. Alright. So this looks good. Okay. What's the green tape for, you think, babe?
All the stuff they're marking that needs to get fixed.
Okay.
So they're catching.
Nothing in the garage yet. Looking good. This is insane. Look at the sprinklers installed in the front yard. Alright, this is the scary part though. Walking. This is the only time we're gonna walk in this house with our shoes on. Oh! Let's check out. Look at the carpet. Ooh, looks good. Okay. Oh, everybody better be following the walkways. But babe, we got carpet! This is crazy. Oh, it's just, oh my God. You guys.
It's nice.
This is so nice. Okay, bathroom number 2 up here. Oh, no mirrors yet. Okay, so let's see. One of the other second bedrooms up here. All right. Okay, shower in here. Oh my gosh! It's looking so good. Bam! This big ass closet for a walk-in. Or for a guest bedroom. Okay. Let's go see. Man, the loft is looking good. Gotta follow the yellow brick road or the plastic brick road. Let's see, babe. Oh. Whoa! Craziness, okay. Oh my gosh. Alright. The sink installed here too, yes, or the tub. And closets. Alright. What do you think, babe?
Now this is that new home smell.
The new home smell. Look at this laundry room. Oh gosh. When are we getting our appliances installed? Huh? Should be coming in this week. So honestly, the microwave refrigerator. This is looking good.
That's feeling good.
Ooh. I love it. It's looking pretty. I don't know how to turn it on just yet, but it's really nice. Okay. Where do you go?
Well, we're little closets.
Yeah?
Closets are.
This is gonna be a nice size downstairs bathroom. Come together, babe.